Now, on 1995 paper, that is Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, we want to consider question 5. Now, question 5 reads, find the value of x in the following equations. That is 49 raised to power x plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2x is equal to 350. So this is 4 marks. Now here we should remember indices. So if you remember the laws of indices, then you'll be able to make your substitution and get your answer right. So let's see how that is done until we arrive at our answer. Well, the question is find the value of x in the following equations. So we have 49 raised to power x plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2x is equal to 350. And that's 4 marks. That's 4 marks. So we remember indices. So here we have solution. First, this is 7. This can be expressed again in terms of, so we have that 49 raised to power x plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2 raised to power x is equal to 350 can be rewritten as this. 7 into 2x plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2x. Yes, like that. So in other words, what we have had is that we have now put 7 squared is still 49. 7 squared is still 49. So that has to multiply everything. The power has to be multiplied by 2, has to be squared, multiplied by 2. Because if this is now 7 squared, which is 49, then the 2, which is the power to 7, should multiply this power. So that I have this. So it's that. That's the first step. Second step is to try to see what that looks like. I want to factorize because I see that 7 raised to power 2x is common in both. So I will say 7 raised to power 2x in bracket 7 raised to power 2x in bracket. Now here I will have 7 raised to power. So if I have this, then if I have this ready for me to end up with that, I should be having some 7 raised to power 1 plus 1. 7 raised to power 2. 7 raised to power 2, because this 2x already takes care of the first one. Then there is another 7 squared. So this becomes 7 squared. This is 7 squared plus, but you see, this is just 7 raised to power 2x. So in which case I just put 1 here. So that if I open up this bracket, it will be 7 2x plus 2. Because 2 into x plus 1 should be 2x plus 2. That's what I should end up with. So this should give me 3. That should give me 350. But what is this? This is 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 is 50. So I can divide both sides by this. So that allows me to say 7 raised to power 2x is equal to 350 divided by 50, because 49 plus 1 is 50. So that's 7. 37. So what does that mean? It then implies that 2x is equal to 1. Why 1? Because 7 here is raised to power 1. 7 is raised to power 1. So if the bases are the same, if you remember the laws of indices, if we have similar bases, then we can equate the powers. So this is 2x is equal to 1. And that implies that x is half. X is half. X is half. And that is the answer. So see you in my next video.